You like this look? Okay, I'll show you how I do it. Stay tuned. Hey guys, this is Jennifer. In this video, I'm doing a passion twist, and I just wanted to show you a quick way that I do it. For this style, I am using this hair. It's called lulutress, and I bought 2 packs of it. As you can tell, I've already started, so I wanted to take a break and show you guys how I did it. It's 18-inch, 3 times passion twist, and it's already pre-looped. So I'm gonna just take a pack off. So I bought 2 packs of this. So this is the second pack, and it looks like each section has about 10 of these. So I'm taking 1 section off. And first, what I'm doing is unraveling it. It's already pre-twisted, but I don't want to braid down my locks, so I'm doing it a different way. So I'm gonna take my trusty loop. So basically, let me just tell you what you'll need for this style real quick, is my secret sauce. It's a mixture of some oil, rose water, mint, and rose water and oil, and I mix it up together and I make it like a little spray. So basically what I'm gonna do is, let's see, where can I'll take this little section, these 2 right here, to show you. So first I'm gonna spritz my hair with some oil. Now the other thing, this spray is like a water, rose water and oil. And I'm gonna take my crochet hook right here, and I'm gonna hook it in to get 2 of them. So I'm getting 2 locks at a time. Last time I did another video, I did a video of Okay, so say I want to just do 1. So I bought only 2 packs of this because I didn't want to spend a ton of money, and I doubled my hair up. But suppose you don't want to do that and you just want to use 1 lock per piece of hair, which I did the last time. It just made my hair super heavy, so I opted not to do that this time. but you just put the crochet lock through the base just like I did. Instead of using one, you're going to use two. You're going to pull it through the base. Okay, I'll get that out the way. Okay, you're going to tie your knot like I did the last time. Make a knot. And that's what I was going to do around the edges, and then just braid it in with one. Okay. Oh, am I live? I didn't realize I'm live or not. But anyway, that's what I'm gonna do, and twist it, and twist the bottom. It's sticking out, but can't help it. Can't help it. So you see how it does look a little bit different than if I did two of them together. You see how much thicker it is, and it might even look a little bit more seamless. So I'll do another one. Okay, so I'm gonna come back here and just show you if I was just to twist it, two pieces together. Let me get one that's closer to it. These two close together. Okay. Spritz my hair. Forgot to do that with the other one. Okay. Get a piece of hair. Undo it. Undo it. Should I do this one or should I? Okay. Put the crochet through the base, like so. Put it on the hook. Close the hook. Pull it through. Open it. Take it out. Make my knot. Okay. Now, with this, I'm going to just take the two pieces like that. Now you can do this, wrap, twist each side. You could do that. You could do that. I'm not really coordinated to do that twisting that they do in the video like that. And And then you take both of them and twist them together. That's another way you can do this. And keep it going. Okay. All right. So stay tuned. I'll be back for the finished result. You can see how it looks. Okay, I'm back really quickly. I had another way to show you how to do this. So again, I'm just going to quickly show maybe two of them this way. And of course you separate it out. You spritz one of the hairs, one of the locks, I'm sorry. You're gonna put hair at the base of the lock, like so. Hook it. Close it. Tie your knot again. Okay, so this is where I'm going to do something different. What I'm going to do is, you can look at it one of two ways. I'm either gonna take this and twist it around one of the pieces like that, and then I'm gonna take this piece and then twist it. Over it like that. And that way it kind of hides it, but my hair is just gonna be colored anyway. Okay. Then that one's done. See how it kind of blends it in there. Okay, I'm going to do it one more time. Take this piece out. Put it through the base. See, oh, I missed one. Well, I'm glad I got an extra one or two left. Twist one down the length of it, and then come again with the second one and twist it. I really can see through that. Okay. I'm missing like two of them right here. Okay, two, and then I'm missing in the back. Okay, all right. Okay, I'll come back when I'm done. I'm almost done. Okay, guys, this is how it looks finished. And you can see that my hair is showing through it. But what I plan to do is put it up probably put it up like this. So I'll come back tomorrow with my face made up and everything, showing you the final result. Okay, until next time, I'll be back. So I'm back, guys. This is the finished look, and I'm gonna just tell you a couple of quick things that I will not be repeating doing this next time. I will not do this again. One is I'm using the wrong color hair. Hello? I used the wrong color hair, and I think I will go back to just using one lock per piece of hair, and it might look fuller, but I think it's too much for using two, although that is a method. But in my thing, I think I'll stick to the color that matches, but I have a lot of different colors in my hair right now, so I feel like that will help it look more seamless. And that's it. So until next time.